In this video, you'll learn how to create a mobile repairing website with pickup and drop service. This guide will take you through each step needed to build your site efficiently and effectively. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com homepage. Look for the section labeled Sites to start the process. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this will facilitate a smoother experience. Once you are on the WordPress.com sites page, find and click on the button that says Create with AI. This action will initiate the AI-driven site building process, which simplifies the creation of your website. Next, you will see an option titled Laying the Foundations. Click on this link to proceed. The AI will then begin to gather the necessary information to set up your site. After selecting Laying the Foundations, wait for the AI to load. This process may take a moment depending on your internet speed. A loading indicator should appear on the screen confirming that the AI is working. When the loading is complete, a message will appear stating, "Make a website as unique as you." This indicates that the AI has finished gathering the initial setup information. At this point, type in the phrase, "Create a mobile repairing website with pickup and drop service" into the input field provided. This will help the AI tailor the website to your specific needs. Next, click on the Enter button to submit your input. You should see a confirmation message that indicates the AI is processing your request. Following this, you will receive a message confirming that WordPress.com can create your mobile repairing website with pickup and drop service. This confirms that the AI understands your requirements. Now, type in, choose the choice given above in the designated area. This is part of the customization process that allows you to refine the options presented by the AI. Click on Enter once again to submit this choice. You will then see another confirmation message indicating that your input has been received. The next prompt will ask, what should your website be called? This is where you will define the site title that will appear in the browser tab. Type in the desired name of your site in the provided text box. This name is crucial as it will represent your brand online. After entering the site name, click Enter to confirm your choice. A message will appear acknowledging your input. You will then be prompted to provide a short tagline or description that will display in search results and social previews. This helps potential customers understand what services you offer. Type in an appropriate tagline that succinctly describes your mobile repairing service. This tagline will enhance your site's visibility in search engines. Following this, click Enter to submit your tagline. You should see a confirmation message that your tagline has been saved. Now, click on the button that says Create My Site. This action will finalize the setup process for your new website. You will see a message that reads, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that the system is now creating your site, which may take a few moments. At this point, wait for the system to generate your website. Depending on your internet speed and the complexity of your site, this might take some time. You may notice a message indicating that this process might take a while. Patience is key as the system works to finalize your new mobile repairing website with pickup and drop service. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.